What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel.
This tutorial will guide you through using Cursor's Composer feature alongside the control panel. You'll learn how to leverage these tools to enhance your coding experience, streamline your workflow, and increase productivity. Whether you're a beginner or experienced developer, mastering these features can significantly benefit your projects. To get started with Cursor's Composer, you first need to access the control panel. Open Cursor, launch the Cursor application on your device, locate the control panel, and find the control panel in the sidebar or the top menu of the interface. Familiarize yourself and take a moment to explore the layout and available options in the control panel. Make sure your software is updated to the latest version for the best experience with new features. Avoid making unnecessary changes to the core structure of the template unless you are confident in your coding skills. Using code snippets can save you your time and enhance your coding efficiency. In the Composer, locate the code snippet section, click to add a new code snippet, or select an existing one. Directly modify the code snippet as needed. After editing, run tests to ensure the code behaves as expected. Once you've completed your project in Composer, it's essential to save and export it properly. Click on the Save icon in the control panel, go to the File menu, and select the Export option. Choose the desired format, provide a clear and descriptive name for your file before exporting. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to effectively use Cursor's Composer with the control panel by accessing the control panel, navigating the Composer, integrating code snippets, and properly saving and exporting your work. You can enhance your coding workflow. For further learning, consider exploring more advanced features of Cursor and stay updated with new releases to maximize your productivity.
If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.